So typically I would try and make this as clean and crisp as possible, but I'm just really excited because they finally came in and I can go ahead and do the full sound and look upgrade to the studio. So here we go. Hey there. So, like I said in the intro, typically I would make this video a little more polished and clean, but that's kind of what the point of these things is. See, these are going to not only help with the audio issues that I have to deal with in post that are creating echoes and whatnot off of this hard surface behind me, but it's also going to help with some of the graininess in these videos, because it's going to also help with the blindingly white wall behind me. So I know you really don't care about me talking about them. I know you just want to watch me embarrass myself as I install them, so here we go. And so, just like that, with a $40 investment, not only have we improved the look of the studio, but judging from the image in my camera readouts, we've improved the quality of the image as well. I'm sure this is also going to improve the quality of audio, so I don't have to jump through all the hoops in post like I have been. If you are going to be making content, it's really not a bad idea to make the investment. Now, as always, go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you didn't, well, I'm sorry that kid kept taking your lunch money. I'm Meat Popsicle from the Prodigal PC, and I shall speak to you when I return.